Alright you guys, so I have 6 pieces of chicken thighs right here. All I'm using to season it, I'm using Lary salt, ground pepper, and some garlic. Some black pepper. Some garlic. So now we're gonna let this sit right here, and we're gonna put our pan in with some oil. Yeah, that's chicken. We're gonna make chicken, mama. Okay? So next I'm gonna turn my stove on, medium high heat. Put some oil. I used about 1/4 of a cup of cooking oil. Now I'm gonna let this heat, and then I'm gonna start frying my chicken thighs. Now that my cooking oil is pretty hot, I'm gonna start taking my chicken. We're gonna let this fry for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna turn the chicken over, and I'll see you from there. So it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna turn our chicken over. It should be this brown golden color. If it's not, then let it fry for longer until you achieve this color. Yep. This is how my chicken is looking so far. And we're gonna leave it there for another 5 minutes. I have my garlic rice right here. I'm gonna remove my rice from this pan because I'm gonna use this one for my chicken. You can use whatever pan you want, but this is the one I like. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut my chicken in little strips. If you don't want to do this step, then just skip it. You can just use the whole piece of chicken in the sauce that we're gonna make, and you can cook it like that. So I'm gonna cut my chicken. Like that. It's hot, so be careful. Here, mama. Chicken. Eat it. Now here's my chicken all cut up in pieces. If you don't want to make it like this, again, you can use the whole piece we fried, but this is the way I like it. For my sauce, I'm using a tablespoon of butter. So I have butter right here, garlic, I'm using honey, about a half a cup of honey. I'm also using soy sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce. You don't want to use a lot because then the flavor overpowers the dish. We mix. I'm going to use this habanero lime crushed pepper. Now that my sauce is ready, I'm going to add the chicken. If you could only smell this, it smells so good. I really hope you guys try this recipe. It's really good with fried rice or garlic fried rice. And then that's pretty much it. I just let it sit there for about a minute. Don't let it burn though, just a few seconds. And then it will be ready. Looks really good with some garlic fried rice. Yum. Enjoy.